Hello, good morning to all. Subject is maths, addition using subtraction. First one, 49 plus 28. The 49 close to 50. 50 minus 1. We get 15 plus 28. We get 78 minus 1, we get 77 is the answer. 97 plus 66. 97 close to 100. 100 minus 3. 100 plus 66. We get 166 minus 3. We get the answer 163 is the answer. And third problem, comment your answer. Okay. 49 plus 28 answer is 77. 97 plus 66 answer is 163. Thank you all.